Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the water pump on a Chrysler Pacifica. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a socket set, wrenches, and a drain pan. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any work. Next, you'll need to completely drain the engine coolant from the radiator into a suitable container. Finally, remove any components that might be blocking your access to the water pump itself, ensuring a clear workspace. Now that your workspace is clear, let's remove the old water pump. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the belt from around the pulleys. Next, disconnect all hoses and any electrical connectors attached to the water pump. With everything detached, you can then unbolt the water pump from the engine block. Remember to keep track of all bolts. Finally, thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the engine to ensure a proper seal for the new pump. With the old pump removed and the surface clean, it's time to install the new one. First, apply a thin, even layer of RTV sealant to the new gasket, if one is used, or directly to the pump's mating surface. Carefully position the new water pump and hand-tighten the bolts, then torque them to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 25 foot-pounds. Reconnect all hoses and electrical connections, ensuring they are secure. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it has the correct tension. You're almost done. The next crucial step is to refill the cooling system with the correct coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of antifreeze and distilled water. After refilling, you must bleed any trapped air from the system to prevent overheating, which can be done by running the engine with the heater on high. Reconnect the battery and start the engine, carefully checking for any leaks around the new pump. Monitor your temperature gauge and coolant levels closely during your first few drives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.